Hello researchers, these are the contents of my presentation. Starting with where to publish, we will learn about UGC CARE list of journals, then Scopus indexing, and finally we will end up this presentation by Scopus checklist. Let us start with where to publish. The requirement of journal publication is clearly mentioned in UGC Regulations 2018. It's on minimum qualification for appointment of teachers in colleges and universities. It is clearly mentioned in UGC Regulation 2018 that the publication should be in peer-reviewed or UGC listed journals. There can be debate on peer-reviewed journals, so it's better to go with UGC listed journals. UGC listed journals can be found on website ugccare.unipune.ac.in. The UGC CARE list is having two parts, Group 1 and Group 2. Group 1 journals are the journals who qualify the UGC CARE protocols and norms, whereas Group 2 journals are indexed in globally recognized database. Group 1 journals can be found on UGC CARE website by creating login. Researchers can search the journal with their ISSN number or by title or by the name of publisher or by the subject category. This list is frequently updated by UGC CARE cell. So, before you submit your article to any journal, make sure that the journal is present in the list. The Group 2 journals consist of journals indexed in globally recognized database, which includes Web of Science and Scopus database. Note that ESCI listed journals, even though they are the part of Web of Science database, are not the part of UGC CARE list. Web of Science indexed journal can be found on website mjl.clarivate.com. The AHCI, SCIE, SSCI list of Web of Science database are the part of UGC CARE journal list under the Group 2 categories. Second globally recognized database, which is the part of UGC CARE list, is Scopus database. Researchers can find the list of Scopus index journal on scopus.com. One can search with ISSN number, but researcher also needs to look for Scopus recently discontinued journal list, which is available on Scopus website and is also available on elsewhere website. So there is a list of 626 journals which are discontinued from Scopus database. Recently, in September 2020, Scopus has removed 49 journals from its database. Considering the author complaints about not following the standard publication practice by few Scopus index journals, UGC CARE has published a list of journals which are removed from Group 2 index Scopus database. It means that if the researchers are publishing their papers in these journals, then even though the journal is indexed in Scopus, but it will not be considered as a part of UGC CARE list of journal. You can find this list on given website of UGC CARE. There are such 77 journals as on September 2020. Finally, checklist for Scopus index journals that researchers should check before submitting paper to the journal. Very first, check the website of the journal to where you want to submit the paper. If the journal has specified about Scopus indexing, then verify it on Scopus website. Also verify recently discontinued list of Scopus journals. Check UGC Care website for journals removed from Group 2 indexed in Scopus database. And finally, check whether the journal website is original or it is the clone version of original website. Presently, there are 26 such clone websites which are listed on UGC Care website. These are the references for further reading. Thank you. I am the author of this book on research methodology published by CRC Press. Teachers can download free chapters from CRC Press website for their reference. Thank you.